give me in 2 sentences what is moving you to recruit to our elite unit.
What's motivating you?
What's the motivation? I asked, it was an officer. I said to him, self-esteem and challenge. He looks at me, said to me, what do you mean? I said, what's not clear? Self-esteem and challenge.
He was expecting, because
So I
the
said,
country, I love the
So
country.
he said to me, but you can't answer me this. I said, look, I can answer what I want. If it's not good for you,
You're
shalom.
asking me. You
Yeah.
know?
You see the same concept with the rabbi at that. So he says to me, and your results are phenomenal. With an answer like this, I can't accept you. I said, fine, I'm going. No
Because
problem.
he wants to hear.
Why? He didn't say this. So I said to him, by the way, what's wrong with my answer? He says, you really don't know? I said, I can figure out. Maybe ask me again. He said, it's too late. You missed it out. I said, I don't care. Ask me again. He said to me, what do you mean? The country, the land? I made the whole drama.
Yeah.
I said to him, this is what you want to hear?
I can play both games.
I said to him, I'm being honest with you.
Right.
Let's be honest. You don't care about me.
Right.
I don't care about you. Okay? But we both have a motive. You need my abilities, and I need your option to give me challenges. Let's take it. He said, I never heard an answer like this.
Wow.
I said to him, oh, it's first time. He said, wait a few minutes. He called a psychologist
No way.
from another unit. The psychologist sat down and he said to the officer, listen here. This guy is putting on the table everything. You have to accept him. Because all the others that gave you the answers you want to hear, maybe they were lying.
Right.
If he's good, take him. So when I was saying this story, I was honest the whole way.
Just to explain, there was a series of tests to make sure that you qualify for the
Yeah,
elite unit.
tests and tests.
And this was the final.
Yeah.